Hello, here have a solution, okay, for the GPU crash in Marvel Rivals. Okay, we are going to solution, okay, this problem step by step. Okay, we are going to the Steam, okay, app, okay, and here we are going to the library, okay. Here we are going to this panel and we are going to the your games and go to the Marvel Rivals. Here we are going to the properties, and here in the properties we are going to the updates. Here, okay, you put this, okay, option, and we are going to insert files, and you click to the verify integrity of game files. You click, okay, and wait. Okay, we are going to the browse here, okay, and we are going to the files of Marvel Rivals, the point exe, okay, and here if you have a point exe, okay, it's nice, okay, and this is a solution for the GPU crash in Marvel Rivals. Bye bye.